So my husband is going to a Christmas party at work and he needs to take something. So I'm making green bean casserole for him to take. We need fresh style green beans. I've got 2 cans. We're going to drain those. 2 cans of creamy mushroom soup. And salt, pepper, milk. I believe it's a half a cup of milk. And salt and pepper. And I'm just going to mix it all up in here. And then cook it for about 15 minutes, and then put these on the top and cook it for another 5. All right, and I'm mixing them up all in this thing I'm going to cook it in so we don't have a bunch of messy dishes. And the milk I just measured in the can, about half the can. Just kind of eyeballed it. So we only have a spoon and this casserole dish that we're going to have to clean up. Let me get this all mixed up. I do like to add about a handful of the onions in there, just to give it a little bit more flavor. But the rest of the onions are going to go on top after this is cooked through for about 15 minutes or so. And I'll put some foil over it. And then once it's cooked for about 15 minutes, take the foil off, put the French fried onions on the top, and cook it for about 5 minutes. And you have a yummy green bean casserole. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.